Right guys, Matt here. It's going to be my entry for the KSI Welcome to Beast competition. We are in the outlet centre in Swindon. It's pretty packed, so let's just see how we can go.
May I have your attention for the next 5 to 10 seconds, please, everyone? I have a very important message. Welcome to Beast! Thank you!
Let's go. Yeah, just done the Welcome to Beast. Got banned from there for I don't know how long, but yeah. I mean, it went pretty cool. Like, you can't see a lot of people, but it is absolutely packed. So if you don't believe me, then but yeah. Welcome to Beast.